Namaste. My name is Srividya Manvi Atkuri and I am 12 years old. I come from Kaustubam Kuchipudi in Nritya Kalasala. I have been learning Kuchipudi for over 2 years under the guidance of my guru, Srimati Shobha Gopur Garu. She has taught me many skills which help me attain perfect body posture, expressive eye movements and quick footwork. I am practicing very hard on a song, Koluvai Vannade Deva Devudu, which is composed in Kalyani Ragam and Aditalam. This song typically portrays the devotee's deep reverence and adoration towards the divine being by expressing gratitude, devotion, and surrender. We are thrilled to have this opportunity to perform at the 3rd International Shobha Naidu Awards, which are going to be held in Malaysia and Bali. We are fortunate to have Padma Shri Padmaja Reddy Garu and Pranav Institute of Kuchipudi Dance to organize this event. Thank you.
Okay, ready? Okay, yeah.
चक्षुभ्यां दर्शयेत् भावम् पादाभ्यां ताळम् आचरेत् కొలువై ఉన్నాడే దేవదేవుడు కొలువై ఉన్నాడే దేవదేవుడు కొలువై ఉన్నాడే కొలువై ఉన్నాడే కోటి సూర్య ప్రకాశుడే కొలువై ఉన్నాడే కోటి సూర్య ప్రకాశుడే పలరాజు పలవాడే వనిత మోహనాంగుడే కొలువై ఉన్నాడే